Slide off the protective cover off the cassette tray. This will be your template to mark the garment or fabric for proper loading. Place your cotton product on a flat surface. Make sure it is smoothed out and even. For t-shirts, 100% ring-spun cotton works best. Place the template on the fabric and mark the 4 holes with an erasable marker like Pilot Friction brand markers. The inks will disappear off the fabric with heat. Open your cassette tray. For landscape printing, find the letter R on the right side of the platen. This is where the top of the fabric needs to be placed at. Next, align the 4 dots to the 4 corners of the platen. As you continue doing so, smooth out the fabric and tuck any excess material into the cassette tray. Continue smoothing and flattening out the product. Tuck the excess material to make sure that when the lid closes, that there's no excess material hanging out of the cassette tray. It is recommended that you also use a lint brush to help flatten the fibers and remove any excess lint. Your loaded tray is now ready to be placed in the HB12 finishing oven to get the wrinkles out.